Hello kids, today we will dive deeper into knowing more about Scratch. Let us try to understand what is block palette in Scratch. In Scratch, a block palette is what holds the block scripts. Block scripts are nothing but pre-coded blocks that contain the script or the codes for the functions which they can perform. Basically, when you drag and drop a block of a specific function, your object or sprite can do the same function. Now we will discuss these block scripts in detail. Motion. It controls the motion or movement of the sprites. It can make the sprite move up or down or sideways or even rotate them. Control. It lets you control when your sprite can perform a function and how the sprite should do an action. It gives the power of conditional operators such as if, then, and repetition. Looks. It allows you to modify the appearance of your sprite. You can change the color and costume of your object. Sensing. It allows you to control the sprite from touching the edge or color or another sprite on any x or y coordinates, sound volume, etc. Sound. You can change the sound, pitch and volume with this script. Operators. It lets you add logical operator functions and Boolean functions. Variables. It allows you to create variables and assign value. Do you want to learn Scratch extensively? Then what are you waiting for? Book a demo class with us today or enroll in our coding class. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.